All right, so now we're gonna do our pivot, and now it's very important that we're pivoting on the ball of our feet, okay? So this is pivoting on the heel, right? That means heels on the ground, toes on the ground, so the heel moves, okay? This is a ball, pivoting on the ball of your feet. So we're gonna start off here. What we're gonna do is on the beat, you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. When we count slow, it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Very important that we understand on the count with the numbers, you're down. And on the end, that's when you're up. So you gotta see level change, okay? So let's try that first. So level 1, we talk about first grade, right? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Good. Now we're adding and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. One more time. So on the end, the toe stays on the ground, heel comes towards the center. So we got 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Venus did it correctly. Now we're adding the 2 together. You're gonna go and 1, right on 1 when we talk about sit. And 2, and 3, and 4. Let's try that one more time. Up to 4, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. So when you're at home, just do it with this. Without music, keep that speed. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Eventually, we're gonna start slow, and then I'm gonna pitch it up, okay? So this is, you could practice with me with the video. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 5, and 6, and 7. And again, 1, and 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7. You see how much faster it got? But if you could get to that speed, then you got it, okay? Now that's just singles, we gotta get to the doubles now. So let's do same thing, slow, then pitch it up. We're gonna do doubles. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 1 more time. 1, and 2, and 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7. Woo! Alright, but that's the idea, right? So get the ones down, then get the doubles down. Once you have that good, single, single, double, right? So here we go, let's go slow. Single, single, little bit, you're gonna go right, left, right, right. Left, right, left, left. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 1 more time. 1, and 2, and 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8. Again, on your own, you can start speeding it up as much as you like. Pick your favorite song, see if you can do it to that. Perfect, okay? So that's a single, single, double. One more thing we're trying to add is snapping of the hands. Snapping the hands, okay? Whichever leg that I'm pivoting, that's the hand I'm snapping. So let's go single, single, double with the hand snap. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, 3, and 4, and 6, and 7, and 8. Good, good, good. One last thing before Venus leaves. This is the very last chain on the top, okay? Started adding turning of the shoulder. So instead of keeping the shoulder square here like this, there's here. So watch it one more time, I'm gonna go slow. This time, when you guys are watching the video, focus on the hip above. Focus on the shoulder. Notice how the shoulders are turning, okay? Again, don't try to do this until you get everything else, right? We're talking about, the grade levels, right? We said this is what middle school or whatever it is. It's just to get everything else and then do this, okay? 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7. Again, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's a very subtle thing that you're doing, okay? But if you could get that, it just adds a little bit more. Awesome. See this?